Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Alcatel 1SE Lite and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So let's start with opening the recents, and we can do it just by tapping on this square button right here in this navigation bar. As you can see, we've been transferred to all previously opened apps. If you want to, you can close them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it, or swiping them to the right or to the left, up to you. But if you want to close all of them, just tap on this trash bin icon, which should be in the middle. Tap on it, and as you can see, we just got back to the home page, so we can open the recents, and here we've got no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.